Well, hey guys, welcome to Rhiney Android Caching. We're going to go ahead and attempt to redo that CGO video that I did the other night. I guess around 2.5 minutes in, the audio got real choppy, so we're going to go ahead and try doing this with a Bluetooth, see if it's any better. Now I will forewarn you, it is a little windy out, and of course, you can't really do videos related to geocaching inside, because, well, unless you're doing a geocache challenge, you can pretty much do those from your couch. But anyway, let's go on to, we're going to reopen CGO, go back into live map, and I thought I pressed it. There we go. Give this a quick second to go ahead and load. Maybe. Like I said, we're going to go ahead and attempt to go for that same cache that we did the other night. Alright, let's zoom in a little bit so you can actually see where I'm at in comparison to the cache. Just a little north of it. We're going to pull up the details on this cache, so go ahead and press on the cache icon. Press more details. And like I said the other night, here's all the information on the cache, the name, type, size, GC code, status, whether you found it or not. Once again, this is one that I have found. Distance from cache, difficulty and terrain, favorite points issued, the owner, date hidden, and coordinates. The one thing I did not mention the other night when we were on this page, when you want to see what the coordinates are for some reason in a different format, if you press on the coordinates, you can get it to cycle through and show you different formats. Not really sure. I've never really used them for anything else other than that, except for when doing onesies. But yeah, there's just press it on the coordinates. We'll cycle through. Waypoints, not really needed for a traditional cache. Description. Here's a logbook. All right. So now let's navigate to the cache. Press menu on your device. Default navigation. That brings up the compass. So let's go ahead and start walking towards. As you get closer, you'll notice down here at the bottom, it shows your down here at the bottom. It shows your distance from the cache, or the cache coordinates, and then at the top it shows you your current coordinate, I believe, or I might have those backwards. This shows your bearing, distance from the cache. Bottom left-hand corner is how many satellites you're hitting, and then you get your plus minus that you'll use. Usually, ground zero, it'll get close to basically what your plus minus is. You hit that number, you're pretty much dead set. So, found the cache. Like I said, not going to re-sign it. You're going to press menu. Oh, actually, you're going to back out of this stream. You need to write them, have them change that. You're going to hit menu, log visit. This is going to show up as write a note because I've already found it. If you go into a cache that you've already found, it automatically defaults to write note. So if you wanted to mark it as found, which by default it will go to found. If you haven't found it before, DNF, write note, needs archived, or needs maintenance. We're going to leave it as write note. If you have trackables and you want them to visit, you can change your settings to where they automatically visit. I do not, at this time, want these caches, or these travel bugs to visit, so we're going to change that to do nothing. As you see, they all changed. And then basically submit log, and that's it for as far as finding a geocache and logging it. Like I posted, I'm gonna try and do a video as often as I can. I'm gonna be in Belvedere tomorrow afternoon. If anybody wants to meet up with me, go ahead and click like on my Facebook page. writing Android caching, all one word, and send me a note or post on my wall that you'd like to meet up, and I can show you firsthand. I'd love to have, you know, people doing these videos with me. Like I said, tomorrow I'm going to try and do at least 3 caches tomorrow. Do one using Cache Sense, do one using Neon Geo, and do one using the official Groundspeak geocaching app. Go ahead and post on my Facebook whatever you guys want to see me do. I will attempt to do it. Other than that, you guys have a good night and happy caching.